Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This residence is conveniently located approximately 1 mile from the entrance to Belair High School in Mandeville. Upon entering the Grays Hill community, it is the third house on the left, situated on a slight incline. The home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and 1 half bath, along with an unfinished garage that presents an opportunity for expansion at the back. It sits on 0.21 acres of land. Don't miss the chance to grow or begin your family in this ideal location. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 32 million or US $207,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.